Have you ever noticed how some days feel like you were sliding down a perfectly smooth hill, where everything just falls into place, while other days feel like you are trying to push a giant boulder up a mountain in a thunderstorm? Most of us spend our lives reacting to what is right in front of us. We wake up, look at our bank accounts, look in the mirror, check our emails, and let those external things dictate how we feel. But when you do that, you are letting your current reality control your future. You are acting like a mirror, simply reflecting what's already there. But what if you could stop being a mirror and start being a magnet? What if you could consciously design your life piece by piece in a way that feels easy, light, and actually works? Today, we are going to explore a simple but incredibly powerful practice called the Creative Workshop. This is a deliberate, step-by-step process designed to help you regain control of the four primary areas of your life: your body, your home, your relationships, and your work. It's about moving away from passive reaction and stepping into the role of a deliberate creator. Before we dive into the physical steps of this process, we need to understand when to use it. This isn't a tool for when you are feeling deeply depressed, angry, or completely overwhelmed. This process works best when you are already in a relatively stable emotional space, what we call an emotional set point between joy, love, appreciation, and optimism. Think of it as tuning a radio. If your radio is tuned to a station of deep frustration, trying to jump straight to absolute ecstasy is too big of a leap. But if you're already feeling okay, optimistic, or even just peaceful, this workshop will act as a supercharger, pulling your desires into your physical reality much faster. Think of yourself as a giant magnet. You are constantly attracting thoughts, people, events, and lifestyles. When you look at things exactly as they are, even the things you don't like, you attract more of the same. But when you look at things as you would like them to be, you begin to attract them in that new form. This is why the rich get richer and the happy get happier. It's not a conspiracy. It's just the natural law of attention. Now, imagine if we could speak to you on your very first day on this earth. If we could welcome you as a tiny, fresh human, we would say to you, "Welcome, little one, to planet Earth. There is nothing that you cannot be, do, or have. You are a magnificent creator, and you are here by your own powerful and deliberate desire. Go forth, experience life, and use it to figure out what you want. And once you decide, give your thoughts only to that." But we aren't talking to you on your first day of life. You've been here a while. You've absorbed the doubts of your parents, the criticisms of your peers, and the pressures of society. Many of us see ourselves not through our own eyes, but through the eyes of others. We look at our bodies and see flaws. We look at our careers and feel stuck. The Creative Workshop is your safe space to wipe the slate clean. It's a 15 to 20-minute daily practice where you can step away from what is and step into what can be. So, how do we actually do it? Let's break down the practical application. To begin, you will need 4 blank sheets of paper. If you prefer digital, you can use a tablet or a computer, but there is something incredibly tactile and powerful about writing by hand. It slows down your thoughts and forces a deeper level of focus. At the top of each page, write down one of these 4 headings. Page 1, my body. Page 2, my home. Page 3, my relationships. Page 4, my work. These represent the 4 pillars of your daily human experience. By breaking your life down into these specific categories, you focus your mental energy, preventing yourself from feeling overwhelmed. Let's walk through how to fill out each page, starting with the first category, my body. On this first page, under the heading, write the phrase, "This is what I desire regarding my body." Now, I want you to make a short list of things that easily come to your mind. Do not treat this like hard work. If you get stuck or find yourself struggling to think of something, simply move on to the next page. This should feel light and playful. For example, you might write, "I want to return to my ideal body weight. I want to get a great haircut. I want to find some wonderful new clothes. I want to feel strong and fit." Once you have your short list of desires, here comes the magic step. The step that most manifestation techniques completely leave out. For every single desire you've written down, you must write down why you want it. Why is the why so important? Because when you think about why you want something, you naturally soften your resistance. You focus on the feeling of having it. If you focus instead on how it will happen, when it will happen, or who will help you, you often introduce doubt, worry, and resistance because you don't know the answers to those questions yet. Let's look at how we apply this to our body list. For the desire, "Well, I want to return to my ideal body weight," you might write, "Because I feel best when I am at that weight. Because I'll be able to wear some of my favorite clothes again. Because it will be so much fun to shop for a new wardrobe." For the desire, "Want to get a great haircut," you write, "Because I want to look good. Because a great haircut is much easier to manage. Because when my hair is cut well, it takes less time to get ready in the morning." And for, "I want to feel strong and fit," you write, "Because I love the feeling of stamina. Because I love having the energy to do all the things I want to do. Because it just feels good to feel good." Do you feel the shift in energy when you hear those reasons? It's not about complaining about being out of shape. It's about anticipating how wonderful it will feel to be vibrant and strong. Now, Let's move on to page 2, my home. Just like before, write down a few simple, immediate desires for your living space. Don't worry about remodeling your entire house in one day. Focus on what's active in your mind right now. You might write, I want to find some really great furniture. I want to get more organized. I want sliding shelves in the cupboards where I keep my pans. I want beautiful tile in my bathroom. And now we write the reasons why we want these changes. I want to find some really great furniture because it's so much fun to make changes, because I love entertaining and want my guests to feel comfortable, and because furniture adds so much warmth to a home. Want to get more organized because I feel so much better when things are neat, because I work better in an uncluttered environment, and because we all get along better when our home is in order. Want sliding shelves because it will be much easier to find what I need, it will make cooking more fun, and it will be so convenient to put things away. And now I want beautiful tile in my bathroom because it will make the room look vibrant, it will add value to my home, and it will make me feel happy just looking at it. Notice how none of these desires are incredibly complicated, yet writing them down with their why instantly changes your relationship with your living space. You stop seeing a messy room as a chore and start seeing it as an exciting canvas for your own creativity. Let's move to page 3, my relationships. Choose the relationship that feels the most significant to you right now, whether that's a romantic partner, a close friend, a family member, or even a colleague. You might write down, I want to spend more time together. I want to have more fun together. I want to eat out together more often. I want to relax and play more often. Now, let's anchor these desires with the positive emotions of why we want them. Why do you want to spend more time together? Because I am at my very best when we were together. Because there's no one I'd rather share my day with. Because we have so many fun things to talk about. And because I love this person so much. Why do you want to have more fun together? Because that's the very first thing we loved about each other. Because I love laughing. And because having fun together feels incredibly good. Why do you want to eat out more often? Because it reminds me of when we first met. Because I love the luxury of someone else cooking. And because it allows me to completely focus on my partner in a beautiful setting. And why do you want to relax and play more often? Because we are both playful by nature. Because our best ideas come when we are relaxed. And because it brings a sense of freedom to our lives. When you write these reasons, you aren't wishing for a better relationship out of lack. You are actively celebrating the love and connection that already exists, which naturally draws more of it to you. Finally, let's look at the 4th page, my work. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a corporate employee, or searching for your next path, write down what you desire right now. Perhaps you write, I want to make more money. I want to feel excited about what I'm doing. I want to enjoy the people I work with. I want to feel a stronger sense of purpose. Let's look at the why behind these professional goals. Why do you want to make more money? Because I want to buy a new car, because I feel proud of what I'm accomplishing, and because there are so many beautiful places to visit and experiences to have. Why do you want to feel excited about what you do? Because work is a massive part of my life, and being happy there is vital. Because when I'm excited, the day flies by, and it just feels amazing to be energized by my tasks. Why do you want to enjoy your coworkers? Because they are a big part of my day, because we can support each other, and because every single interaction has the potential to be positive and uplifting. And why do you want a stronger sense of purpose? Because I want to make a genuine difference, because I love the feeling of getting a great idea and running with it, and because I want to wake up eager to start my workday. That is the core of the paper process. It is simple, structured, and takes less than 20 minutes. We highly recommend playing this written game once a week for about a month, and then once a month after that to keep your desires fresh and active. But what do you do on the other days? How do you keep this momentum going throughout your daily life? This brings us to the second phase of the creative workshop, the daily 15-minute visualization and data collection. Every single day, find 15 or 20 minutes to sit quietly. This isn't a deep, altered state of meditation where you empty your mind. Instead, this is a lighthearted, active visualization session. Before you enter this mental workshop, your job during the day is to be a data collector. As you go about your day, walking down the street, working, talking to friends, keep an eye out for things you like. If you see someone driving a beautiful car, don't envy them. Collect that data. Say to yourself, I like that. I'll bring that into my workshop later. If you see a couple laughing deeply, collect that data. If you see a beautiful home or someone with a joyful, sparkling personality, collect that data. Then, when you sit down for your 15-minute workshop, you bring all those pieces of data together to paint a picture of yourself that feels incredibly satisfying. Let me show you what a beautiful, flowing workshop session sounds like. Close your eyes for a moment, listen to these words, and try to feel them as your own reality. I like being here in my workshop because I recognize the immense value and power of this time. I feel incredibly good. As I look at myself, I see a total package, one that is of my own choosing. I am full of endless energy, moving through my life with absolutely no resistance. I see myself flowing effortlessly, comfortably, and happily through my day. I see myself attracting only those who are in harmony with my current intentions. When I get into my car, I see myself arriving at my destination healthy, refreshed, perfectly on time, and fully prepared for whatever I am about to do. I see myself dressed beautifully, in exactly the way I choose. It is so wonderful to know that it does matter what others are doing or thinking. What matters is that I am pleased with myself. And as I look at this picture of my life, I certainly am. I recognize that I am completely unlimited. My bank account is overflowing, and I experience no financial limitations. I make my decisions based purely on whether I want the experience, not on whether I can afford it. I am a powerful magnet attracting abundance, health, and beautiful relationships. I choose absolute prosperity, knowing there is plenty for everyone. I see myself surrounded by others who, like me, desire growth. We laugh, we talk, we appreciate the perfection in one another, and we never waste time criticizing. I am in perfect health. I love this physical life. And now, my work for this day is done. I will step out of my workshop and spend the rest of my day looking for more wonderful things to collect. When you walk out of your workshop with that lighthearted, joyful feeling, something incredible happens. Your physical life outside the workshop will naturally begin to warp and reshape itself to match the images you just created. You will start seeing coincidences, unexpected opportunities, and sudden improvements in your health, your wealth, and your relationships. Remember, you are the author of your own story. You don't have to accept things just because they are your current reality. Your reality is simply the shadow of your past thoughts. By using the creative workshop, you are casting a brand new shadow, one of joy, abundance, and effortless ease. Grab 4 sheets of paper today. Give yourself just 15 minutes to write down what you want, and most importantly, why you want it. Keep it fun, keep it light, and watch how quickly the universe begins to deliver your desires right to your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is ready to create their own perfect life. Go design your world, and we'll see you in the next video.